Legal reformers have called for a new bespoke law that will see hackers who interfere with critical infrastructure like railways, airports, or hospitals face life imprisonment, marking a major step to modernize the city's cybercrime legislation. The Law Reform Commission today released its final report, recommending a single, comprehensive law against 5 core cyber-dependent crimes, namely the illegal access to programs or data, illegal interception of computer data, illegal interference with computer data, illegal interference with the computer system, and the provision or possession of tools like hacking software for committing such crimes. The recommendations include specific defenses to balance security with other interests. For instance, unauthorized access might be permitted for cybersecurity professionals, genuine academic research, or to protect vulnerable persons like children under 16. Derek Chen, who chairs the Commission's Cybercrime Subcommittee, noted that anyone claiming a public interest defense would face a high burden of proof. On tackling the involvement of artificial intelligence in cybercrimes, Chen said the proposed legislation scope would be limited.
Although artificial intelligence and the way it can be used to commit crimes is obviously an issue, the way we have structured the 5 suggested offenses is such that if artificial intelligence is used to commit that sort of crime, then that would also be a crime. But we haven't extended the analysis to, well, if that's the case, how do we regulate those who write AIs or those who run the AI models? That would need a separate and a wholesale consideration.
For most of the 5 offenses, the maximum penalty would be 14 years imprisonment. However, aggravated interference crimes that endanger life, such as tampering with railway signaling, could draw life imprisonment. The law would also have extraterritorial reach, allowing Hong Kong courts to try cases with a clear connection to the city. The government has welcomed the report and said it will study the recommendations carefully.